Mattress bags. Imported. Pack of 2 queen-size mattress cover 61x15 by 104. Heavy-duty clear mattress bags 2 mil strong. High quality, satisfaction guaranteed. Transit time is approximately 1 to 2 business days. Uboxes is #1 source for moving boxes supplies online. Moving kits available for 1 to 10 bedroom homes. Queen size mattress cover 61x15 by 90 moving supplies pack of 2. Heavy duty clear mattress bags 2 mil strong. Top reviews from the United States. Great 2 mattress bags in package. These are great for getting rid of old mattress sets. Junk dealers and haulers charge upwards of $60 each for removal and hauling old mattress or box springs. Our community trash allows 1 large bulk pickup each week. They require that you wrap old mattress or box springs in plastic. Since each piece is considered 1 eligible pickup, we have to put them out separately, 1 each week, and the 2 bags fit the requirement. The bags are certainly heavy enough for what I need, but I think they would be reusable if you need that option.